Found this guy when I came out to feed the meat birds today. Also found a mouse nest, which is probably why it's here. The mice ran off because they were scared, and we're about ready to take care of this snake. We looked it up and it was a gray rat snake, which eat rats, mice, also small birds and eggs. So we didn't want that around here. So we ended up burying it after we dispatched it. We definitely don't need it causing any harm to these birds. The mice will just try to steal some food, but at least they won't harm the birds.